Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Q&T video update Quant Network. And yeah, it's been requested so many times, so many people, and I'm gonna bring it out anyway. So let me actually dive into the daily and let's see what the hell is happening in the daily. We've seen this coin pumping for some few days now, and we did have some sort of a pattern that you broke out of. So from there to there, you actually broke out of this place and you actually pumped to the moon, and that was almost like an inverse head and shoulder technical target that was met. So from there to there, we looked up for a technical target to get here near the 961 level. Now at the moment, I do expect this thing to actually drop, and potentially there's a key level that I'm looking forward to come down and drop, and that's going to be this level, the $74 level at the moment, and that's where you're going to be dropping. So losing $74 is going to actually force you to drop down, and you're going to be looking for this trend line, which is going to be down at the $54 at the moment, right? So you actually went up, came like this, made another some sort of a pennant here, and you actually move up, and now you're making a little bit of a reversal pattern, which I reckon you're doing on the daily is you're making a diamond top, and that's actually a reversal to the downside. So this is in a diamond shape at the moment, and that's actually bearish when it appears on the top. It's bullish when it appears in the bottom though, and the problem, the issue is that it's at the top at the moment. So that's the diamond top that I'm talking about. And if you don't know about the diamond top, let's actually do a very quick Google for you, and boom, diamond top pattern, and boom, right? So go to the images, and this is how the images really look like. In a nutshell, this is actually the very best explanation in a simple line chart plotted. Okay, so you end up like this, you consolidate sideways, making that diamond shaped kind of pattern, and that actually becomes the breakout, and you're going to see the technical targets to the downside. So the technical target, basically they say, is from there to there, and we're looking for a breakout which is coming in and very soon at the moment, and I do expect it to actually come down to 86.7. So that's the first technical target. Okay, so that's the very first technical target that I can tell you, and that's going to be a drop from there to there, like a 12% drop to the downside at the moment. Okay, and you do have a little bit of a support right at this level, which is going to be nearly somewhere here at the 84-ish level. Okay, so it's actually an area that I'm going to mark off. So I'm going to bring in the rectangle, and boom, right? This area is where you're going to actually be supported at the moment. So you come down here, and this is what I'm expecting, but losing this area and closing below, like for example, you come down and you start to close below 84.42, you might end up going sideways like this, and you might create the left shoulder ahead and the right shoulder, and then you continue to move even way more down. And that's it for today's update on Q&T. Join our Discord. The signals entry is open for the next coming few days. If you want to join the signal, do check the agreement video that I'm going to leave at the end of the video. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.